Hello. Okay, so right now I'm refactoring. Basically, I'm changing the physics engine from Arca to matter.js, and I changed quite a lot of things because one of the biggest issue I have right now is that it's very complicated. It's not complicated, but with TypeScript, it's complicated to have you use sprite, for example. Not use sprite, but for example, before it was a container for my player, and attaching the body was quite easy. But with matter, it's better to use like a subclass of the sprite. Like it's the phaser sprite and using the matter.js phaser sprite, because you can there's a way to change it in the documentation. They don't explain it, but if you're in JavaScript, it's working pretty well, but I have some problem with TypeScript. Basically, I think the function is there. We can do something like that. Physics dot matter, and then you have this function. So matter game object, and this function is common any game object. So it can be a container, it can be a layer, it can be a group, it can be anything that has like a position, and it's converted to a matter.js. It's wrapping the matter.js code, and the matter.js code, basically what it does, it's adding a backup function to change, for example, the velocity, to adding force, change the density, change the friction, change a lot of things, and also attach a body. And the body here is matter body type, so it's a bit of same logic of Arcade, but it has different thing inside the body. But the biggest difference is that the body is just a getter actually. With matter.js you don't like calling function inside the body. It's more like a functional way to work. So if you want to do something with the properties of the body, either you are using directly the sprite, so the physics matter sprite. Otherwise, you need to use directly the physics, the matter engine. So you need to pass function to it, like matter, and then you do bodies. Then you send your body, and you send what you want to do with your body. That's what I understand from it. I never used matter.js before, but the only reason I use that right now is to have a rectangle collision that can rotate. So basically now I delete a lot of code. I change that. Before I have some acceleration for my player, but it's kind of useless for what I want to do. I want just a velocity, and the velocity here is it's the velocity of the player. So the idea is that you're just tracking the position. So you're tracking the direction. So are you left top, left left top, left bottom, or just left or just right? And basically you're using like using the cosinus is very simple. Just you take like just the cosinus of the diagonal. So when you're hitting when you are diagonal direction, it's just the same speed as the linear one. So your player don't seem like it's faster when you hit diagonal. It's the same speed, but there is no acceleration anymore. That's what changed. So there is that, and now what I'm trying to do, I set the collision. So setting the collision, it's quite easy. What you have to do is just set the body. you say the type of the collision you want. There's a polygon, circle, rectangle, and you have properties that attach to the collision. But I have some problem with the size. So in Phaser you have different size, different way to set the size. You have display size and you have set size, and I don't really know the difference, but apparently the set display size really changed what you see. The set size was buggy because my body didn't took the offset. But if I take the display size and I just say my radius is half the display width, it's center. I can scale my sprite and center it. So now I have a problem with my laser. It's not center anymore. That's what I'm trying to solve. So I'm in this code. Where it is. Yeah. So basically it's completely offset for some reason. Try to figure that why, but I have no idea now. So the red one is correct actually. So that's if I just change the position for doing anything, the red one is correct. So maybe I just need the offset now without doing the center. Maybe I just can. Let me just check if I can do that. I remove that. I'm just looking at the red one now. Okay, the red one is correct, so no, it's okay. So yeah, all I need to do is I don't need to take the center of the body. I didn't know why I did like that, but I don't need to do that. The X is the center. Okay, so that's good. It's even simpler. So all I need to do now, I can still have this logic with the polar. Why am I doing the set display width? I don't know. I'm using the position center. I'm just cloning it. So I still need that. Yeah, basically it's how it's going to look. I'm just creating a position, a vector from it. I'm making an offset that I rotate. I don't know why I'm scaling it. And adding the center to the offset to the center. Okay. So now it doesn't work. I don't have the. Yeah, I need the scale. Yeah, the scale because. Yeah, what does it do? It's working. I don't remember. I'm using the rotation. Minus. Why am I doing? Okay. The minus is because the rotation. My player. My player sprite is not the same as the rotation one. It's a bit complicated, but I remember why I did that. Because, for example, if you start your player, it's top position, for example, or right position, or left position, or bottom position, uh, you rotation, you have a rotation offset for the angle. So that's correct, and this is just rotate up or down, the minus and the bottom. So this is correct, and why am I scaling it? Scaling it. So just offset of 1, and I'm scaling it of half the width. Why? I'm just scaling from the width. What does it do? Okay, it's going way too far because it starts from the center. Only need half of it. Okay. You don't need that. Yeah, basically the only change from this code is that. Okay, I think it solved it. Let's check. Okay. Now I need to center the half. That's correct to me. I need to center the half bar now. Where is it? Bam, 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 bam. Okay. So you're doing this hex minus, yeah, difference between display width and just do that instead. Oh, the X was correct now. It's a Y that is fucked up. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I don't need to be like mat savvy. I can just try some data and see what's fit. The X look like it's correct. Looks like it's center. Can I just do divide by 2 also? For the Y? Oh. Wow. Why not? Seems like I have some torque also because sometimes my player is moving along. I don't know. Strange. Doesn't do it after, but let's think about it. I'm not doing anything. Where are you going to put it? Thick, yeah, but it looks like my width and my height are empty. Because I just set the display width and display height, not the size. No, it's definitely do something. As if it do something. Just try something for a second. Uh, just want to see if it's the same value. I don't know. I don't know if it's the same value. Just no. Why not? Why not? I'm not calling it. What's wrong with that? I fucked up something. Ah, it's because, yeah, okay. Display it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely not the same. My width and my height, they're clearly wrong. I should never use them. I should always use a display. Yeah, the collision is different. I will good if I could like just display the collision also. This dot body dot width maybe. No. Size. I don't have it. Scale maybe. Hmm. Okay, it's not scale. I I don't I don't really understand. I don't really get it. Yeah, I have circle radius. I think that's because I don't have width and height. It's a radius, so it makes sense. Nah. but something I still don't really. I don't understand how it's using the display or the width. So it's 26. Yeah, why it's 26? Yeah, it's 26 because it's 52, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, it's. I can use either. I can use whatever. Yeah, the problem is not. It's actually. I don't know the offset. That's the problem. But technically, what should happen is that should be this dot hex plus. So plus well, don't use my, yeah, I can use my radius, but it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird to do that. Let's just see what's happened if I'm doing that. It's not going to center it because my X, yeah, no, it's more complicated, I think. For my Y, it's not complicated, but my X, yeah, okay, it's definitely not did what I want, what I thought. Yeah, because it took the center and adding that and that. So yeah, it actually did exactly what I wanted to do, but it's minus instead, of course. Yeah, my hex won't be center. Yeah, my X is not center, but my Y is. Yeah, I need some offset for my Y also, but wow, rotation event. Calm down. Yeah, I should put a limit from the rotation. It's completely crazy. Uh, so my Y will be like minus 10, but my X. Yeah, but wait a minute. Think about that for a moment. If it's center, so if I do this X, I'm in the center of the chip of the player. So I just need to minus it, the size of the hell bar. It should be. Dot width divided by 2. I think, I'm not sure. Okay, that's fine. I need a bigger offset, so maybe like 16. Okay, so same thing for the container. Yeah, container, what would it be? Is that correct to just say the same as the hell bar? Yeah, so I think this is better. Yeah, I cannot test it right now. I need to add some container. Wait a minute. No, I should already have it now. Container. Yes. Full flame. So they already added by default, but okay, if I just remove that, this is just to hide them. I should see them, I think. Just to check the position. Okay. No, I don't see it. Whoa. I don't see them. I don't see them. Yeah, because refresh echo icon is never called. Yeah, basically what it does is creates, it's fucked up, but it creates 4 flame icon, adding them, and then when I'm, yeah, maybe that's strange because nothing is hiding. Ah, maybe inside it. I think this is where I'm setting the alpha also. So I'm resetting the alpha, but if I look at this object, at the top one, okay, this is where yeah, this is what's fresh at alpha, just, this is how I'm hiding them. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, maybe a little bit above, but yeah, a little bit. 20, probably 20 is better. Raise it. So, health bar. Yeah, the update. think it's a bit better now. Just check. Should be a bit bigger. Okay, that's better. Well, yeah, not really. For my health bar it's better, but not for... So offset health bar and offset icon. Skip 16 for this was good. It's icons. Okay, let's try like that. Okay, that's better. So let's remove I'm going to commit that because I have like so much change. I have so much change. Oh my god. Yeah, because the next step is the most complicated one because I no idea how I'm going to do that, but I'm removing, basically what I'm doing is I'm removing the drawing style from my projectile, which is going to be a sprite every time. I'm just removing the container. It's not a container anymore, it's a matter sprite. And that's going to change a lot of things. I just commit that. Okay. So now it's crushing time. My game scene. And build projectile. And it's going to crush. Okay. Cannot read property wall of undefined projectile. So I take my projectile and my projectiles. So let's think about it. Think about it for a second. So already I removed that. Already a matter sprite. So I need to have a body also. So in it, I have this body set circle. That's strange that it not crush. Where does it crush? It's crushing. Yeah, on the projectiles. This is where it's crushing. Cannot read property or... Yeah, why crushing here? Oh, init physics. Yes, this is where it okay. Yeah, because I don't. Yeah, let's just take my my player for seconds. That's funny thing is that my physics system is even simpler than before. Now it just that kind of crazy. It's going to be way more complicated. Okay. I don't think this exists anymore. I need to do this set position, something like that. I don't have this body set enabled. I don't even need that, I think. Let's try that. So I'm deactivated. Setting the radius here. I don't need that. I still need that. It should be my first step or my last step. Yeah, let's just do it after the constructor. It makes more sense. Okay, I don't need that anymore. Yeah, I don't need that. Just remove it. Setting the body. Maybe it should be after. No? Yeah, should be after for me. There. So like you set the size. I I don't even sure I need the display origin. I think it's the default one. So maybe all I need is actually this set display size. It's possible. Just take my player for my game scene. Want to see if it's still working. Oh, yeah, it's still working. Okay. So I don't need that. I only need the display size and the body. I think it's pretty much the same. I take my projectile. Just move this. I take my projectile, so all I need to do is... Well, I don't really need the init physics, I think it could really be done on the constructor. And the most important thing, I need to set the display size. So display size. Yeah, I set the display size from the project I template. Let's think about it for a second. Yes, but yeah, but I only have radius. That's strange. Not like I have width and height, you know. Yeah, indeed it's that, but maybe it should do. Yeah, maybe it should be that actually. Wait, where? No, it's definitely time 2. It should be time 2 and then it should be only radius like that. Yeah, should have ton of error. But no error! Wow. Very often define now. Oh yeah. Forget to add my projectile. That's why I don't have error. Of course. Classic mistake. Okay, so wow, did you expect that? Did you expect that? Did you expect what the fuck is going on, man? It's like he created all my body, and that my body is still activated. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting. Still creating objects. Is that colliding with his cell? What is he doing? Like my player is blocked. What the fuck just happened, man? Did you expect that? Yeah. Wasn't expecting that. It's quite something. My god. Look, my FPS 1. My FPS is 1. It's 0 now, it's 0. Yeah, 22. It's like. I don't know, I have decent FPS now. Yeah, my player is blocked. I cannot escape. It got pushed out of the boundary. I don't know. I don't have the texture also. I don't have the texture anymore. Yeah. So yeah. Well, let's try to fix that. Yeah, my theory is that it's related. That it's activate, you know. Deactivate doesn't deactivate it. deactivate, set activate, set visible. But I have no idea actually. Unless it's set disable. Set body? Set body? Oh. Well, I have no idea why. Yeah, I don't want to remove it. I just want to deactivate it then. Yeah, but it's not the thing, set collision category. It seemed too simple. Yeah, but I need to reactivate the collision after. No? I'm not sure. Doesn't like it anyway. Number. I don't know how to do that. Going to take a while. I don't know. I don't like that. I have no idea how to fix it. Yeah. So yeah, the strange thing also is that they're moving. You know, that's really strange. Like they have a default velocity or something like that. Yeah, that's strange. No, they shouldn't move. I mean, it's because they collide with each other. They don't move actually. They just collide with each other. That's why they are moving. But they are not moving. They're colliding. Okay. Yeah, I just remove the collision. Should basically fix it. Yeah, you think that set technically, yeah, I mean set active. Uh, it doesn't touch the body. That's the problem. If it was deactivating the body, also would be awesome. But can use collision filter. I think, yeah, changing changing the collision filter. Yeah, but I don't want to I don't want to collide with each other, never, you know. I want to handle the collision myself, not with the engine. Yeah, no, yeah, I make it static. Static means just the body doesn't move. It's different. My body can move, but the collision need to be handled by me, and the motor shouldn't handle the collision at all. Between the bodies shouldn't handle the collision between them. Just because you're adding to the world, uh, yeah, maybe there's example of that, but I doubt it. Filter category. Set the collision mask for this game object matter body to matter bodies with different collision. Will only collide if each one of include the other category. It's mask. Yeah, but no, I want to deactivate the collision altogether. It's different. 0 or 2 matter. Ah, maybe. Set on collide. Yeah, no. No. Hmm. What is a sensor? Ah, sensor trigger collision event but don't react with colliding body physically. Maybe that's what I need. Minute. Yeah, it's just detecting if there is a collision, but it's not doing anything. If I understand correctly. Just try that. Set sensor to true. Well, just they're always true actually. Yeah, we're still going to collide with each other. No, I don't think it's going to solve my problem. Yeah, but still not. Still not hidden. It's still rendered by the engine. So Still very slow. Yeah, it's actually doing what I want, but make it extremely slow because it's still colliding, you know. It's not like the collision was removed. It's still colliding. It's even worse because it's colliding with all of the object together, and I don't know. Yeah, the engine doesn't track the collision anymore, but that's not my problem. It's not entities anymore. It's what is it? It's projectile. Yeah, I need a way to deactivate them. But I think I forget to add the charger. Just okay, I don't have it. Where is this? Here's entities, projectile, and it's not here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't solve my problem. Still trying to collide with each other. Oh. Yeah, I need to remove the body altogether, you know. Just need to deactivate. Even the updating or rendering of it should be easy to do. I don't know. Ah, wait a minute. I'm doing something with maybe that's. The thing is, I'm doing that, you know, set active visible to false, but it's not enough. It's not enough. I need to be do something else. Yeah, I should learn how matter.js work because I have no idea how. Yeah, but it's using body reset, it's using arcade, it's not using, doesn't use matter. Yeah, it won't work. Let me check something. Like, yeah, if I take my constructor, so the key. Huh, this thing, what the fuck, man? Make no sense. Oh yeah, it's a frame, sorry, it makes sense. Oh, this is the last argument that I need. Just check what's inside it. Path plugin angle position. Yeah, yeah, with frames I putting a group. Yeah, it need to be completely off, you know. Because if I'm putting a group, it's still going to collide with the other one that's not belong to the group, so it's useless. Is this a render also? Oh, you think? It's not part of the world? Maybe that's the best way to do it, I'm not sure, but just don't make them part of the world. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. I don't know if it's costly. Maybe it's costly, I don't know. Just, yeah, I don't think it's costly. I think this should be an easy way to do that. Maybe it's a last option. Option is the last one. Maybe I have this dot c. this dot row dot move. Let's try that for a second. This. That's yeah, you're moving the yourself from the world. Maybe. No, it's still very slow now. It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. Sadly, it doesn't work. Even when I'm not. I don't need to do this in other existing, huh? Curious. Don't need to do that. Oh my god, it's so slow. Why it's so slow? Slow. Come back, Emacs. I don't know. Activate and active. What's the difference? What's activate is the receive nothing. You have it. Ah, yeah, of course, it's my method. My god. I don't know. Kill? No. Set body. Yeah, you set collision with no one. What is shutdown? Remove our listener. Okay. Stop. No. Yeah, I have no idea. Enable? Yeah, no. If I'm doing, yeah, projectile remove. Problem is, I think it should be a projectile body. I don't know. Just check for a second. Yeah, it work. Yeah, because it removes them. So, yeah, is that because I did body? I think so. I can add them and remove them, but kind of sad. Make me sad. I don't know if it's a good idea. Yeah, I'm so very surprised. Why it doesn't work when I'm inside my constructor? Why I need to do it after instantiate it? Doing on the constructor it doesn't work. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm doing something. Yeah, I'm adding it after remove the body. That's strange. Why this code doesn't work? I'm surprised. I don't understand why I needed to do that after the projectiles and not inside the constructor. I don't understand. I don't know. Yeah, cause basically what you're doing is that what I want to do is that this dot row dot add dot this dot body. I think just this is okay, but and this thing is remove this dot body, and I don't need that. Just adding that. I don't need that also. But apparently it doesn't work. Ah, yeah, it work. This body resets. Body resets. When I fire, yeah, I cannot do that. I just need to do this dot set position. I don't need that also. Do I need that? Set enable. Yeah, I'm set enables and I'm activated, so it's completely. Look like it's completely stupid. Yeah, I need to do a set position. Yes. I'm wondering something. Oh, this is after. Yeah, okay. So I need to set velocity with that. So I don't need that. Same thing. So I need a set velocity. Set velocity instead. Set velocity. And this thing. And this thing. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm going to read the doc of matter.js to use it correctly because I'm just like I'm like a blind man, you know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea. Okay. It didn't trigger. Yes. Yeah. The bullet's not going anywhere. Yeah, you think it's because, yeah, but I'm adding the body and when I activate it, you think it's too late. I'm not sure. Is that too late? I have no idea. Huh. Yeah, definitely the remove work. Do I need to do this instead? Maybe not this body, I don't know. Let's maybe setting the positions that don't work. Or the size 0 can be so many things. Yeah, I don't see anything that's strange. Yeah, set position. I just try something for a second. I'm setting this position. Am I seeing something or not? Okay. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, I should see a green circle, you know, or I should see a circle somewhere. I think because it's a sunset, no, I don't think so. So again. No, nothing. Ah, yeah. Nothing. It looks like it's not. Whoa. It's not added to my world when I fire it. Yeah. When this thing is hard, I don't know. Maybe it's doing some kind of cleaning and I need to recreate the object. Yeah. But local world. Bodies. Yeah, a circle body. This is the player and I have 4 rectangle one. I don't even know what they are. What is this circle? I think this one is my player. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's my player. I don't even know what the other one are. Strange thing. Strange. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's added to my world. It doesn't complain, but and then return a world. But it did add it. Yeah, it had it. Huh. It actually did it. Okay. Yeah, it did it. But why? Oh, that's strange. Is that because I did body? If I'm just doing this. Yeah, it's also add a new one. No, I didn't add a new one. And because I think it's the same ID and it's not adding it. Yeah, it did it. Yeah, body added, but not. Maybe I need. Yeah, maybe that's strange. I think I tried that and it wasn't working. Oh, did something. I think it's so fast, but it did something. It's so fast. It's like lightning speed. That's what the problem was. Okay, it did something. Okay, take a break. Bye bye.